Open up the your web browser again, and please type in the browser area sunearthtools.com. Okay, sunearthtools.com, and we should get a website that looks like this. Okay. And then go ahead and click on Tools. Actually, just click on Sun Position down here. Let's just say OK for the cookies. And go ahead and click on Sun Position. Okay? And you're going to get a map. Okay? You can, what we need to do is tell it exactly where we are, though, right? We need to figure that thing out. So right here in the search, I'm going to type Mount San Antonio College. Okay, press Enter when done. And let's see if we're on the map. And I think we are, right? That's Grand, that's Temple, Cal Poly Pomona, so on and so forth. That's Building 13 right there. Okay, so that's good enough for me. I think we were able to find Mount San Antonio College. Stop zooming in and out. So scroll back up. Now we got to fill out this stuff over here. Okay, because the SunEarth Tools website is we're gonna enter dates that we already copied on a piece of paper, and then we're gonna enter what time we want those dates to be, and it'll give us a chart. It'll spit out a chart for us that tells us what the angle of the sun is gonna be on that day at that time, right? So here's what I'm gonna do. If I had the date, year, that's what I want, okay? And let's go with our first one, June. For the summer solstice, I think we copied June 20th, am I correct? Okay, so I'm gonna go in here. Okay, so June is the 6th, and the day is gonna be the 20th. And what time?
It was like at 2 p.m.
It was almost 2:45.
No, I'm up here. Okay? It's at what time do I want that angle? At noon, right? I want that angle at noon with 00 minutes. Exactly at noon. Okay? And please get rid of daylight savings time. Just unclick it. You don't need that. GMT minus time zone. GMT minus 8. Greenwich Mean Time. What does that mean? That just simply says the time that we've just entered here. The time that we just entered here is based on -8 hours from Greenwich Mean Time in England, which sets the clock for the world. Okay, so just keep that the way it is. So check your date again. June 2020, June 20th, 12 noon. And just go ahead and keep all these. You want the solar disk. You can keep all of these. You want the solstice. Right? And as soon as you're done with that, just go ahead and accept. Just click on execute. Once you execute, go ahead and scroll down. Oops, not here, but down here. And it gives you a big chart, a circular chart. Okay, and your most important information is actually over here. Okay, so we are on June 20th. We are at noon. And look at that, it gave us our azimuth and it gave us our angle, elevation angle, right here. Okay, I'm going to pause the video to point it to you. So 5 a.m. or just a little bit before 5 a.m. the sun rises. At noon, almost exactly above your head. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, almost exactly the sun sets, disappears beyond the horizon at this location on that day, right? And here's another chart that just gives you the exact same information, right? But it just, you know, it has the elevation degrees also. So this is 90 degrees, this is flat on the ground. So we see here, this is the 90-degree elevation, and we're almost at the 90-degree elevation, right, at noon? Okay. 79 point something, there it is, 79, 80 degrees, right there, height at noon. Okay, and this is the same information again that's given to you in a chart. So what you can do with these things is you can just click on download PDF. Okay, I'm going to download the PDF. As soon as it downloads it, I'm just going to move it to my desktop somewhere, right? And I can save it. So let's go ahead and show you. Come on, mouse, move to the other screen, please. Okay, and here it is. You can just rename it and give it, say, Project 1 dash Summer Solstice. Okay. And that's it, right? And then you're just going to move it into your folder, into your homework folder. So, so let's go ahead and continue by doing the rest of these guys. If I can pull out, there we go. Okay. So what's left? I only did one of them. I want you guys to do the rest of them. Okay. You have all the dates. You know how to fill this out. Please go ahead and let this website spit out the other dates for you. All right?